Hello everybody, welcome to Code Arena, and today we are gonna make Dell logo with HTML and CSS. So basically this video is about rotation. If you don't know about rotation, then this video will help you a lot. So there are two benefits: your logo will be also made and your rotation part will be also cleared. So first I have made this Dell logo folder, and inside it I have made two files, index.html and styles.css. So first we'll make boilerplate with HTML, and now we will give the title to Dell logo, and after that we will link to styles.css, which is our next file. First we will study that how Dell logo actually looks like. So this is a Dell logo and we will make in black color. So first we are having a circle which has a thick border, and inside it we are having a simple text. So it will be easy, but the E is rotated, so we will look at it. So first we will make a div called circle. So inside it there are some conditions. So first we will make h1 tag, and we will give this h1 tag a class of same. I will tell you why we are doing that. We will do Alt Shift down, and first letter is D, second letter is E, third letter is L, and fourth letter is also L. Now we are doing this because we need to rotate E, and if we will write whole Dell, then it is not possible. Now in the E section we will write a capital E, and we will just put a space. Okay, so this will help in our next file. So first we will go live. So we are having a DELL. Okay, and now I will target the circles div. Okay, now we will set the width to, let's say, 300 pixels, and the height would be also same, 300 pixels. Now the border radius part, because we need to make a circle, so let's say 100%, so it will be a circle. And the border is the main, so border would be, let's say, 20 or let's say 15 pixels solid black. Now let's save this and let's see what's the result. Okay, we are having a thick circle. I think it's okay for it, or we can have more border radius like 17 pixels. I think it's perfect. Now the main thing, to center this all text, we will do one thing. We will do display flex. So if you don't know about display flex, so basically this will be in a line like we want. So this will be in a line. Now if we want to center it here, so we will do justify content, and it will be centered. So this Dell would be centered here. Now if we want this Dell to be centered in the middle of the circle, so we will do align items would be also centered. Let's save this. Okay, hopefully you understand this display flex part. Now we will move to the next one, which is to center this whole circle. So we will use margin top. For it, let's say 150 pixels, and for margin left we will try for 450 pixels because I think it's the average one. Okay, we will just decrease the margin top 120 pixels. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, now the main thing, which is this same part. So we will do this same, and we will target this. Now we need to set a proper font size for it. So let's see, we can have 300 pixels or 100 pixels. Let's try this. I think we should decrease some. So let's say 80 pixels, or we can have 90 pixels. I think now it's perfect. Now we need to find a proper font for this, which is the main thing. So we will go to Google Fonts, and we will see if there are some proper fonts for it. Let's first write this Dell, and let's see which matches. I think this one would match. So let's select it I think we should select this one. So now we will copy this link and we will paste it in our head section. Let's paste it. And now we will copy this CSS link and we will paste it into our this same one. So the all letters would be like this. Okay, we are done. Now the main thing arises, which is to rotate this E. So now what we're gonna do is, we have already written this E1, so we will just target this E and we will go to rotate it. Like just we will rotate this for, let's say, 30°. Now see what happens. So this rotated in the opposite position. So to rotate this in the left side, we will do -30°. So it will be, let's see. Okay, it's good, but I think we should increase this rotation. So let's say for 35, -35. So let's check. I think we should do some more. Okay, so let's try for 40°. I think now it's okay. If you like it, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.